Most people get this wrong when evaluating software pricing. They look at the monthly subscription cost and immediately decide whether it's expensive or affordable. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real cost of software is not what you pay. It's what you gain or lose by using it. In this video, we're breaking down OrcaTec pricing in 2026. What features you get for the money, who it's best for, and whether it's actually worth the investment for field service businesses. Let's get straight to the answer. OrcaTec is generally positioned as a field service management platform for businesses that need scheduling, dispatching, customer management, invoicing, and job tracking in one place. Pricing can vary depending on company size, user requirements, and custom features, so most businesses receive pricing through direct consultation rather than fixed public plans. Now, here's what really matters. Instead of focusing only on the monthly fee, look at the value OrcaTec brings to your operations. If you're still managing jobs with spreadsheets, phone calls, and paper invoices, even a moderate software investment can save hours every week. Take John, for example. He runs a small plumbing business with 3 technicians. Before using field service software, he spent several hours each week manually scheduling jobs and following up on unpaid invoices. Automating those tasks could easily save enough time to justify the software cost. But here's the problem. Not every company needs every feature. This is where most people fail. They pay for advanced tools they never use. Before considering OrcaTec, make a list of your actual business needs. Do you need dispatching? Mobile technician access? Customer history tracking? Automated invoicing? The more of these features you use, the greater the return on your investment. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The biggest benefit of software like OrcaTec isn't scheduling. It's operational visibility. You can see where jobs stand, which technicians are available, and which invoices remain unpaid. That kind of visibility can improve decision-making and reduce costly mistakes. In a minute, I'll show you who should avoid OrcaTec entirely. If you're a solo contractor handling only a handful of jobs per week, a full field service platform may be more than you need. Simpler and lower-cost solutions might provide better value. However, once your business starts growing and managing multiple employees, job locations, and customer requests, dedicated software becomes much more valuable. For most small to mid-sized service businesses, the question isn't whether OrcaTec costs money. The question is whether it saves enough time and improves efficiency enough to generate more revenue. So is OrcaTec worth it in 2026? For growing field service businesses that need scheduling, dispatching, customer management, and invoicing in one platform, the answer is often yes. For very small operations with basic needs, it may be more software than necessary. The key takeaway is simple. Don't judge OrcaTec by the subscription price alone. Judge it by how much time, organization, and productivity it can add to your business. If you found this pricing breakdown helpful, leave a comment with your business type. Hit the like button and subscribe for more software reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching.